How to add or delete a system language in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general. After clicking on general, then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option language and region. Now click on it and then click on add language. Now here you can add a language. If you want to add any language, then simply click on it and then add. Now here you can see my language will be added, and if you want to delete a system language, then simply click on edit. On top right corner you can see the edit option. Now click on it, and here you can see the minus icon. Now click on minus and then click on delete, and then click on done. So this is the way to add or delete a system language in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.